Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'm educating the public on how creating a PayPal account. Ensure you subscribe, like, share and comment. So I'll be taking you one-on-one. The very first thing you need when you're creating a PayPal account, just come here, create a PayPal account. We are signing up for a PayPal account. Then we will be able to join PayPal today for free. We have two options, either to sign up for a personal or a business PayPal account. So we'll say sign up for free. It's normally free. Sometime depending on the browser, it might give you a security check where you'll have to finish this task. So after that, what before you sign up, ensure that because at some time PayPal will require you verify your PayPal account. Ensure it has the right details. For me, I'm creating a Uganda PayPal account. Ensure you come here. You will be able to come and click Uganda. Let us search for Uganda. Here it is, Uganda. Once we click, now we are integrated well. We'll key in the details. After keying the details, then we'll go to the next place. Ensure if you need any assistance in creating a PayPal account, in the description link I have a link, or you can get me through my official email, njogukarongo@gmail.com. I'll be able to assist you, even creating a link in PayPal with Payoneer. All these are services that I provide. So stick with me to the end of the video recording. Ensure you fill in the correct email, the phone number, the first name and the password. Ensure the two passwords have to be familiar, they have to be the same. By that you will be good to go. So the other thing that we really need is will come here next. This phone number, I know they'll be sending a code, a confirmation code. We'll have to confirm it at one point in this phone number it will be sent to. Upon filling the code, we'll be able to come here and add our private address. We need to add address 1, city, the postal code, date of birth, and we confirm that we've read the PayPal users agreement and privacy agreement. On confirming them, I think on clicking yes, we'll be good to go. At this point, we have to add our address and our nationality. Address 1. Ensure when it comes to address 1, don't put PO box. People do not accept PO box because they tend to think it is outdated. And basically, these days people are operating on email addresses. So the other thing that the date of birth, then you see still logged in, and I confirm that I have read the consent of PayPal's users agreement and privacy as the legal age. Understand that I can change my communication preference anytime in my PayPal account. So the users agreement that we are looking upon is here. We can look the two URLs. This is the user agreement of PayPal that I'm agreeing on. Make sure before you click OK, you've read and I have known how PayPal is working, about their refunds and all their policies. It will be good for you. So the other thing that you'll come to do, you'll just come and see agree and create an account. You see what is next? Send money, shop easily. Send money and shop with ease with your new account. Shop speed. Shop with PayPal. Speed through checkout at millions of online shops. Pay some back and send money to friends. Try it now. So I think we at that point we are good to go. What we are using PayPal for our case is to shop with PayPal. So we'll just click and it will be good to go. Will be good to go. That was a tutorial on how to create a PayPal account. If you want me to create your PayPal account, ensure you get me through my official email njogukarongo@gmail.com. Ensure you visit my other tutorials in my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. I have tutorials where I'm verifying PayPal account. I have tutorials where I'm linking PayPal account with the Payoneer. and I have tutorials where I'm linking, I'm verifying also Pioneer account. My YouTube channel is basically about online transactions. In case your PayPal is limited, get me through my official contact, njogukarongo@gmail.com, and you'll find my other contacts in my description link. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Thank you.